always say that Golden Gate has got its own big five. I mean, not your elephant or your lion, but very unique things that you don't get anywhere else. Look at the geological formation, paleontology. You know, being the only national park in the country that protects the grassland biome. The reason the park was proclaimed a national park in the first place had to do with the fact that it actually forms, it's a watershed between the Vaal River and the Orange River system. And where else do you see something like this? I mean, in a closer area. They say Free State is the platteland normally. You had people actually talking about the Free State, that Free State is a very flat area. But what is flat about Golden Gate?
Well, I think Golden Gate is one of those unique places where the guys just find peace and tranquility and just enjoy the scenery. You don't just get the professional hiker that comes and do the trails. That's why the trails are built that, and just a guy going for a casual stroll can do that as well. Photographers are quite crazy about Golden Gate. The park has not got fences, and that's what nice that you can stop on the road, get out, take a stroll, take your photos and enjoy it. You know, that makes it unique.
Okay.
So
German way. Ukuthi somebody into ebhekile la uyabona ogada umlilo ne.
So uzoba phezulu.
Phezulu. Yabona like now ngabe ucheck umlilo. Una ube phezulu khona uzokhona ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani from a distance. That's why
Right, guys, thank you.
So as a park, we've got quite a good number of beds or accommodation in the park, and that actually varies from camping site that you also find next to Glenrhiannon to very luxury rooms at the hotel. A fully fledged hotel with 2 bars as well as 2 restaurants. The types of animals that we have are mostly your antelopes. So we don't have big predators. So we even have beautiful elands. The elands that we have here are bigger than your Brahman cows. You know, that's how beautiful and massive they are. You probably saw the red hartebeers. We have that. We have blesbok, thousands of them. We even have the oribi in the park, and the bald ibis, beautiful birds.
It was created through nature many million years ago, and it's unchanged, and that makes it very unique.